Hello students, I'm back with another activity for you to try. This one you're definitely going to need to be by a spot where you can easily clean up. So I've got it partially started here. You first need to get a cup, plastic or paper, won't matter, and you're going to want to put a hole, punch a hole or poke a hole in the right underneath the lip like you see that I did there. And then the second step, you're going to get pieces of yarn. String might work, not sure. And then you're going to tie a rather large knot so that that knot will not come through your hole there. You're going to need to tie the knot on the inside. And then you can see, I just have red water here just so you can see it a little bit easier on the video, but I have a length of string here. And the knot is tied on the inside of the cup. There you can see it. All right, and so now what we're going to try to do without too big of a mess is to move that water from my cup into my beaker here. So to get it started here, it sometimes takes a little bit of dribble. But oh, looks like we're not going to. So you can see here, as I tip it over, the water droplets are following right along that string as they come out of that hole, right down into my beaker. So there they are, coming right down. I'll pour a little quicker here. So this is water following that string all the way down into my beaker there. Try not to get too quick here. So this just shows the power, the ability of those water molecules to just follow each other, just like a little trail right down my string. Just make sure that you start out with a wet string at the beginning. That always makes it go successfully at the beginning. All right. Going from one cup to the other, right down the yarn path. All right, try that one and see how well you guys do at home. Have fun.